In this video, you will learn how to register your network devices in Fleet Supervision when they are managed by an OmniVista 2500 or OmniVista Cirrus 4. Once connected to the ALE Fleet Supervision cloud system, you need to either declare an OmniVista 2500 or OmniVista Cirrus 4 instance where your network devices are declared. Go in Management System and create a new management system. Give it a name. Select the type of management. We will start with OmniVista 2500 first. You need now an OmniVista ID. Go to your OmniVista 2500 login and check first that your network devices are managed. Then, under Administration, go to the System Settings and to the Fleet Supervision application. This is where you will find the OmniVista ID. Start first by enabling the Fleet Supervision status and accept the terms and conditions of the agreement. Once this option is enabled, your OmniVista will automatically upload inventory data to Fleet Supervision over Internet, provided that the OmniVista can resolve the URL and establish a connection. If your Fleet Supervision does not display the inventory, follow these troubleshooting steps. Check first the inventory status. If it shows that the data was not uploaded, or uploaded more than 2 weeks ago, it means that the backend server does not have the most recent data. In that case, test the connection to the backend URL, and click the Upload Now button to upload manually the inventory to the backend server. A success message should appear. Do not forget to save your configuration before moving on. Copy your OmniVista ID and paste it in your Fleet Supervision. Test the connection to validate that your OmniVista 2500 instance is found on the backend server. And complete the creation of the management server with optional and mandatory parameters. A success message will inform you that the creation is successful, and you can find your OmniVista 2500 in the Management System list. Go to the Device Catalog and validate that all your managed network devices are listed in the catalog. If it is not the case, you can force a manual update with the Update Inventory button and select OmniVista Managed Devices. Then select from which OmniVista instance you want to pull the status of your network devices. Back to your OmniVista 2500, refresh the page, and you can see that the inventory status have just been uploaded to your fleet. Then, back to the management system, we will see how to declare an OmniVista Cirrus 4 instance. Create a new management system and give it a name. Select the management type OmniVista Cirrus 4. We need now an OmniVista URL and API key. For the OmniVista URL, copy and paste the Cirrus URL. Then, the API key can be found in Security and External Apps. Select the Fleet Supervision API key, copy and paste it in Fleet Supervision, and test the connection. And complete the creation of the management server with optional and mandatory parameters. A success message will inform you that the creation is successful, and you can find your OmniVista in the Management System list. Your network devices will be listed in the Device Catalog, and you can use the Filter Management mode to only display the network devices from a specific OmniVista system. If network devices are missing, use the Update Inventory and select the management system you want to pull.